LEDEE 6500 Kelvin 1800 mAh battery, IP65 rated, with a split solar cell that you can put the solar panel anywhere 16.5 feet away from the 106 LED lights. So if you want to put the solar panel outside and put the lights inside a shed, you can do so. You can put this just about anywhere imaginable. Let's open it up, show you a close-up look what you get inside. On the table we have a lot of little goodies. We have the solar panel. We have a mounting bracket that you're going to simply place on. You're going to make sure that you're going to slide this on and put a nut in the provided slot and lock on down. Repeat for the LED light, the 106 LED lights. Repeat for the same for the other side. Your mount, thumb bolt. If you choose to put the solar panel up like so and catch the suns from behind somewhere, you can do that. Extra thumb bolts and nuts are given. Hardware to hang the mounts that you simply just slide on like so. Go find a spot, lock it into place, and off we go. We're going to pick a spot. We're going to go hang this up. When a nice day comes by, we'll grab a lot of sun, hang the unit up, adjust it, tighten it down, hang the panel up correctly, adjust it to the way I want it to go, run my lead, if I start to move, my light's going to come on and stay on for 10-15 seconds. I'm going to go real slow. Now I'm going to move. You're going to see a trigger. That is pretty awesome to go this far of a distance on an angle. It throws a lot of light. It lights up the whole area. It does a good job indeed. 106 plus LEDs, and the battery should last a long time. 1800 milliamps.